In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a video in Canva. If you've ever wanted to remove an awkward pause, cut out a mistake, isolate the best moment of a clip, or create smoother pacing in your project, knowing how to split a video in Canva makes the whole editing process much easier. The good news is that Canva keeps this simple, so you don't need advanced editing experience to make clean cuts and rearrange your footage. To get started, open Canva and head to the video project you want to edit. From your homepage, find your recent designs and open the video, presentation, or reel you want to work on. This brings you into the main editing workspace where you can see your canvas and the timeline you'll be using for the cut. Once your project is open, look at the bottom of the screen for the video timeline. This is where your clips appear in order. If your video is already in the project, you're ready to go. If not, bring in your footage from the uploads area on the left and drag it onto the canvas. As soon as it's added, it should also appear on the timeline, showing you the full length of the clip. Now comes the important part. Move down to the timeline and find the playhead, which is the vertical line that shows your current position in the video. Click and drag that line left or right until it lands exactly where you want the split to happen. As you move it, keep an eye on the preview window so you can stop on the exact frame or moment you want to cut. Taking an extra second here helps make the split much more accurate. When the playhead is in the right spot, click on the clip if needed so it's selected. Then press the S key on your keyboard. Canva will instantly split the video into two separate clips at that exact point. If you prefer not to use a keyboard shortcut, you can also right-click the clip and choose the split option from the menu. After the clip has been divided, you can work with each section separately. If your goal was to remove an unwanted part, select that segment on the timeline and press delete. If you want to change the order of your footage, click and drag a segment left or right to place it where you want it in the sequence. Before exporting, play through the edited section and make sure the timing feels smooth and the transitions look right. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right, click share, then download. Choose MP4 video, set the quality you want, and click download to save your finished video. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.